To access the diabetes management system, admin has to register first by click on Register field. Fill all the fields carefully and keep the organization name in check. You need that at the time of login. Now log in by entering organization name, email ID and password. Make sure you choose the admin options from below radio points. After successful login, you'll arrive at admin dashboard. Click on Camps from the left menu and then click on Create New button. Enter camp name, start, and date. This is very important and all the data is based on these dates. Now create or import camper. Select the Excel file in which you have the student's record and click on the Upload button. Wait for a few minutes. Time depends on how many campers you've in the list. A log file will generate. It depends on success or error message. If any error encountered, then log file has all the details. Fix it and re-upload it. As you can see, all the camper details are entered into the system. From the list, you can add camper or medicine data or edit the camper record. Now add cabin. Every camper is divided by cabin-wise. Click on Create New Cabin and enter cabin name and capacity. If you've entered 5, then you won't accommodate more than 5 camper. Now create the medical staff. Each staff can be assigned to one cabin which he/she take care of. Assign the cabin by select the list of cabins and fill up the rest of the details. Note the password, as you've to provide it to staff. Do the same steps for the rest of the staff. Now assign cabin to camps. Go to Camps section. Click on View Cabin in front of camp you want to assign. Click on Add Cabin and select the cabin you want to assign. You can assign multiple cabins in each camp. Now assign camper by cabin. Go to Cabin section and click on Assign Camper by Cabin. Select the camp from the list and click on View Camper button in each cabin section. Left side show all the campers that are enrolled in a particular camp. Drag it to the right-hand side to assign. Note, you cannot assign the more than cabin limit. Next, we'll add director. Director will overlook entire operation by going to each cabin. Fill the details and click on Submit. You can also assign the permission in which cabin he can view the details. Register pharmacist by adding his/her details. The pharmacist has a separate login and can enter the medicine data to each camper. Admin can add the medicine that every pharmacist should add it daily. Go to Camper section and click on Add Medical. Here you can add multiple medicines by clicking on Add New Medicine button. Add the name of medicine, name, dose and time you want to give. You can add a maximum of 4 times.